Hey y'all, just another quick clip here. This is the new stuff all fit up and mocked up. We haven't welded anything yet. Got the threaded bungs or nuts inside of here. We had to machine down, and then we're gonna plug weld those in. We ended up going as short as we could here without leaving a bunch of threaded part of the heim joint like it was the last time. You know, the reason we actually put the heim joints in originally on the original bumper was because the porch was grinding a hole in the nose cone that came on the car when we got it. Literally, a big whole patch of the front of it was gone. So what I did is I saw cut the porch here, cut the bumper off because it was welded on, and then jacked the porch up in the front to give it some clearance. Welded it back together, and then we cut and welded nuts in and put the heim joints on. Just so we didn't preload anything. So we're going to go ahead and weld all this stuff on. We'll probably weld these, take it back off and weld those little plug weld deals there in. And we're going to have to, obviously, when you heat up a nut like that, a threaded bit, you're going to have to run a tap through it to chase the threads because it gets super duper hot. And the nuts are coated with something to keep them from rusting. So you got to get in there and run a tap through it. But that's it. Everything lines up the way it's supposed to. We're not using the stuff in the front. We're going to put like I said, a gusseted bracket. It'll be one piece, bent 90 degrees. 2 gussets on the front to keep this from going like this. And then, you know, new mounts on the front. That's it. Finished up. Thanks again to Ed. Jaguar Performance Carts, Lawrenceville, Georgia. He's the man. Thanks, buddy.